If you're tired of struggling to cook over an open fire or relying on disposable grills, it might be time for an upgrade. That's where camping stoves come in. Not only are they portable and efficient, but they also make outdoor cooking a breeze. But with so many options available, it can be tough to pick the right one. That's why in this video, I'll be highlighting the top 6 camping stoves. Whether you're a seasoned backpacker or a casual camper, I'll help you find the perfect stove for your next adventure. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box down below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Number 6 is the Gas One Dual Fuel Stove. This is the most budget-friendly stove on our list for camping, tailgating, or emergency situations. It runs on both propane and butane, making it flexible depending on fuel availability. This dual fuel capability ensures you're never stuck without an option. Whether you're using a standard butane cartridge or a 16.4-ounce propane cylinder. Weighing just a few pounds and featuring a compact design, this stove is easy to carry, fitting neatly into its included carrying case. This makes it an ideal addition to camping gear or an emergency kit. Its automatic piezoelectric ignition means you don't need matches or lighters to get started. Just turn the dial and you're good to go. You can also easily control the heat, ensuring precision for various cooking styles. With a heat output of 8,000 BTUs, it is efficient enough to handle most cooking needs, from boiling water to preparing meals. While it's designed as a single burner stove, it provides ample heat distribution and reliability for camping or outdoor use. Additionally, built-in safety features like a pressure sensor and gas flow cutoff enhance user safety, automatically ejecting the butane cartridge if irregular pressure is detected. Customers love its ease of use, durability, portability, and dual fuel flexibility. Overall, it's a great choice for anyone seeking a dependable stove for camping. Number 5 is the Jetboil Zip Camping Stove. This is the best option on our list for backpackers looking for a compact and efficient stove. Weighing just 12 ounces, it's incredibly lightweight and packs down small, making it easy to carry during multi-day trips. The stove uses Jetboil's flux ring technology, which ensures rapid boiling times. It boils 0.5 liters of water in about 2 minutes and 30 seconds, while consuming only half the fuel of traditional stoves. The 0.8-liter cooking cup with an insulating cozy keeps your meals warm while also providing safe handling. It also features a bottom cover that doubles as a measuring cup and bowl, making it a multifunctional tool that helps save space. Included in the system are a stabilizer for the fuel canister and a drink-through lid with a pour spout and strainer for added convenience. One of its key advantages is fuel efficiency, boiling up to 12 liters of water with a 100 grams fuel canister. While this stove doesn't have the more advanced features found in pricier models like simmer control, it's more than sufficient for basic meal preparation, like rehydrating meals or making hot drinks during your adventures. Plus, its compact size allows you to store a fuel canister inside the cooking pot, adding to its portability. For those concerned about noise, this stove operates quietly compared to larger systems, making it ideal for peaceful campsites. Overall, it's a reliable, affordable, and fuel-efficient option for solo backpackers or minimalist campers. Number 4 is the Camp Chef Mountaineer. This is the best wind-resistant stove on our list for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Constructed from lightweight yet durable aluminum, it's rust-resistant and designed to withstand harsh environments, making it a reliable companion during camping, overlanding, or tailgating. The system is easy to transport thanks to its suitcase-style latching lid and convenient carry handle, ideal for those on the go. Equipped with 2 powerful 20,000 BTU burners, the Mountaineer provides ample cooking power while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency It performs well in windy conditions due to its built-in three-sided windscreen, ensuring consistent heat output and fast cooking times regardless of the weather. The matchless ignition feature and precise temperature controls offer a user-friendly cooking experience even when you are miles away from the nearest kitchen. At 16 pounds and measuring 24 inches in length and 12.5 inches in width, the system offers decent portability without compromising on performance. Its large cooking surface can accommodate various pans, and the aluminum build keeps the stove relatively tight while being durable enough for extended outdoor use. The stove is powered by propane, with a 5-foot hose and regulator included for easy connection to a propane tank. Overall, it's the best option for outdoor chefs seeking a reliable, fuel-efficient, and powerful cooking system. And if you want to know more about the latest prices of the camping stoves discussed in this video, be sure to click the links down below. And if you're having a good time watching the video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 3 is the Jetboil Genesis Base Camp Camping Stove. This is the best portable stove on our list. Its foldable, compact design allows it to easily fit into backpacks, making it ideal for both solo campers and group expeditions. Setup is quick and straightforward, with 2 powerful burners capable of handling various cooking tasks simultaneously. The stove's efficient heating allows it to boil water rapidly, making it great for fast meals or morning coffee. One standout feature is its fuel efficiency. The Jetboil Genesis uses less propane than many comparable stoves, which is eco-friendly and cost-effective for long trips. Even with its compact size, the stove still offers a robust cooking surface and a wide range of cooking controls, from a high-powered flame for boiling to a precise simmer for more delicate dishes. The integrated windscreen helps with performance in breezy conditions, though it can struggle in heavy winds. Durability is another strength of the stove. Made with high-quality materials, it's built to withstand frequent use in harsh outdoor conditions. The foldable design makes packing easy, and it even includes a 5-liter pot, making it a complete system ready for any adventure. Overall, it's the best option for those looking for a portable, efficient, and versatile stove for your outdoor adventures. Number 2 is the Coldman Triton. This is the best value stove on our list for being a reliable and portable option for outdoor cooking. Its standout feature is its 2 powerful adjustable burners, which together provide up to 22,000 BTUs of cooking power, allowing you to easily cook a variety of meals all at once. Each burner can be controlled independently, giving you precise temperature control, perfect for simmering or high-heat cooking. One of the biggest advantages is its portability, weighing just around 11 pounds. It's easy to carry, and the compact design makes it convenient to store in a car or a camping gear. The chrome-plated grates are removable for hassle-free cleaning, and its rust-resistant aluminum body adds durability for long-lasting use. The stove includes wind-blocking panels on the sides, ensuring that your flame stays strong even in breezy conditions. The cooking surface is large enough to accommodate a 12-inch and 10-inch pan simultaneously, making it versatile for larger group meals. A 1-pound propane tank powers the stove, and it's easy to connect and ignite thanks to the push-button ignition system. With a noise level of around 55 to 60 decibels when in use, it's quieter than many other camping stoves, ensuring a peaceful outdoor cooking experience. Overall, it combines functionality with ease of use, making it a top pick for campers looking for a reliable, easy to clean, and efficient outdoor cooking solution. Number 1 is the Camp Chef Everest 2X. This is the best overall camping stove on our list for its high performance and powerful cooking capabilities. With 2 20,000 BTU burners, it delivers rapid cooking and fast boiling, making it ideal for everything from searing steaks to boiling water quickly. It provides excellent heat control, allowing users to switch between high heat and a precise simmer for more delicate cooking tasks. This versatility makes it a standout choice for campers who want to cook gourmet meals in the great outdoors. One of its most appreciated features is the built-in windshields, which ensure consistent cooking even in windy conditions. The matchless ignition system offers a hassle-free start, eliminating the need for matches or lighters. At around 12 pounds, it's portable and easy to carry, although it's bulkier compared to lighter stoves, which could be a consideration for backpackers. For car campers or those setting up a base camp though, its size is only a small trade-off for its power. Despite its power, this stove is known to consume propane more quickly than less powerful stoves, so bringing extra fuel is recommended for longer trips. Users have also noted that its operation is slightly on the noisy side, especially at higher heat settings. However, this is balanced by its cooking performance. Overall, this stove excels in reliability, power, and ease of use, making it a top pick for anyone serious about camp cooking. And there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect camping stove much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button, and be sure to check out the description links down below for the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.